Hey y'all, it's Hope here at Crafty Hope and welcome. I don't know if this is tacked on to something else or a whole new video, but I just got some happy mail from my friend Terry and I thought I'd pop on the camera, open it up, and we can both take a look at what she sent. I will say there may be gunshots. It sounds like the neighbors are doing target practice or something next door. Yeah, joys of living in the country in Alabama. So, alright, so this is the first thing that caught my eye because, you know, it's March. There's a candy cane. So, first off, this yarn or whatever she has on it is super, like, knobby and neat. So, I'm going to slide it off and figure out how to untie it from whatever knot she's got in it later. And let's see what she's got in here. I don't even know. I have no idea what she has sent. She basically sent me a message on Instagram and said, hey, there's a package coming for you. So, I have no idea. Oh my gosh. What? All kinds of little treasures and... Y'all, look. Oh my gosh. Okay, first off, an owl. I love owls. They are my jam. And my battery is dying, which... that's okay, because these is new batteries and these are lasting a bit longer. Let me change that and we'll get back to this. Ah, there are the gunshots. Okay, there are two other animals in here, which is like a little, either a hedgie or a porcupine. I'm not sure which. Sorry if I'm going off screen. And then this adorable squirrel. Y'all, look at, can you see him? Oh my gosh. These are adorable. Okay, in addition to all of that, there's buttons. And these, y'all, I think these are glass. Yeah, these are glass. Oh my gosh. At least those were the, oh, look at these beauties. And then some more, excuse me, squirrel. Some more what looks like more glass buttons, and then a few more. These are all definitely in like a brown theme. Look at that one. I really want to put that on a bracelet like mine. Oh my gosh. Ah, there's more in this box than this. We're starting with some awesome, some Terry. Ah. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to put this off to the side carefully. And let's see, what is next? Now this is something wrapped in something. Okay, there's bubble wrap under that. That feels like a mug of some kind. Now first off, this fabric is super pretty. It seems like some kind of scarf or something even. But I don't know. Let's see, I don't know how Terry's done this. There's gotta be a knot here. You know, that might not be gunshots. I'm really bad about identifying gunshots. That could be somebody banging on the side of a building or taking a roof down or something like that. Oh my gosh, the cat's getting things in the other room. I can hear it falling. This is a mug. Oh, psh. And it looks like it has my name on it. It does. So first off, how cute is... It is really precious. That is too precious. I'm gonna have to go get that cat. Alright, and then a little deer. Y'all, these little woodland creatures are gonna do me in. They're too cute. And then several strands of metallic embroidery floss. I will not turn that down either. Oh my gosh, these little bits of awesome Terry. Girlfriend. Alright, let me go see what the cat's got. I'll do just ask them why, when I turn the camera on, does everybody have to act a fool? Okay, so let's also look at this beautiful fabric here. Oh, this, you know, pinks aren't my thing really, but this is really nice. Not only that, but it's like thin and you can see the weaving in it, so I love that too. Alright, I guess moving on, there's a box here that is a tea egg. Is it an actual tea egg? I don't... It is. Holy moly. With a cute little charm on the end of it. I have been drinking tea lately, so, that is actually bigger than the one I got at the grocery store. That's nice. Okay, I will use that, Terry. I don't know how you knew, but thanks. Maybe it was my tea advent from Christmas. Maybe that's how she knew. Okay. There's a cute says sometimes art sucks. That what makes it so important. How cute that is that. And this was made by Pamela Barsky. I'm not familiar with Pamela's work, but I will be checking it out. So PamelaBarsky.com. Let's see what we've got here, because this is heavy. Yeah, this has some heft to it. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I just did a Thrifty Thursday haul with lots of crystals, but I definitely do not have one this size. Alright, there's another thing in here. I can't imagine it's another one that size. Oh, but y'all, I think it could be. Oh my gosh. Heavens. Terry, where in the world did the crystal of these sizes come from? These are as big as my hands. I have tiny hands, but y'all, whatever will I do with these? It's definitely, I think it's too big for a necklace. Definitely too big for earrings. But heavens. Ah, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Those are, Terry. Okay, another little container, a 10 for one thing, that, and it looks like it's buttons. Okay, let's untie this, and we're gonna see what's going on here. If I can get it. Oh, she did this up super tight. I don't want to, because it is, and I like that she used fabric to wrap some of this stuff up, because that's something I can reuse or pass on or whatever. And yeah, and it's not something I will have to throw in the trash, so that's why I'm trying to be super careful about this. All right, I'm gonna see. I can slip it off and figure out her knottage later. Oh, there. Or now. I figured it out now. Again, this is some neat fabric. I do love my blues. This is possibly, I don't know that it's Ragnarok fabric, but it could be. And this feels, there's not a lot of shaking going on in there. So, oh, it's some tea. Ooh. Okay. Cinnamon roll black tea. Frosties Brew black tea. Candy Cane Lane black tea. Okay, that's why it wasn't shaking. I will definitely be consumed. I'm guessing these are for consumption since she sent me the tea thing. But how cute that this came in this tin that looks like it has buttons on it. So this may be a keeper tin and not a cut up tin. We'll see. We'll see. What is next? My gosh, my desk is filling up over here. I'm glad I did this. I'm actually in my craft chair is what this is sitting in. So this is a little envelope. It's got, this is a very textured like sticker or something. And then, oh my gosh, this looks like it's stamped. I need something to put this out on. Hold on. All right, let's see. Here's a, okay, notebook. Let's see. It's a bunch of really sweet ephemera, it looks like. Oh my gosh, some of these are stickers. So these, oh my gosh, these look like they are handmade, like maybe pounded flower stickers almost. I think that's what that looks like. And then these look like tissue paper stamps, maybe? Oh my gosh. What a fun little ephemera pack. Okay, I'm going to see if I can get it back in that pretty little envelope. Maybe. Maybe. Alright. Let's see. Can I do it without falling over? I'm glad I put that down. Okay. Put that aside. Pick up that. This is, yeah, I will totally use this. It's some of the Blue Moon Studio, probably from, well, possibly from Michaels. You can probably buy it online too. But it's little dried flowers to put in UV resin. And yeah, I will definitely use that. And then we've got some ephemera. This looks like some like Rolodex style cards. Or I don't know. Could be like card catalog even. Like library card catalog with that hole at the bottom. I like that. This is more beautifully... Oh, what is this? Oh, it's going to be really hard not to make this precious. I don't know. Terry, did you make these? This does look like, I can't tell, I don't think it's embedded, so I think it's some of, like I was saying, the pounded flowers. This may not be, it is hard to tell. I'll have to ask Terry where she got this. She made, this has a mark on it, probably by the paper maker, which reminds me, I have some really nice papers like this too. Some big heart doilies. Oh, this one, oh, they both do. They say love on them. Those are sweet. What is this? Oh, it's a paper cut illustration of one of H.C. Andersen's. So this is made in Denmark, Pia Krieger design. Y'all, this is definitely going to be hung up. Oh, wait. Okay, no, that's supposed to be hanging. This is definitely going up in my studio or somewhere, but I mean, seriously, that could totally be me out looking at this. If there was a camera right there. That's got me tickled now. Okay, excuse me. I love it. I absolutely love that. Okay, this whole box is like, Terry, it's like you know me or something. And more of this pretty blue fabric, and some kind of package of something. First off, look at this stitched handmade envelope. That is nice. And it's like, I don't know how to explain the feel of it. It's really nice. Okay, we're going to pop this. Okay, I'm going to do, if I can, try not to damage anything. Okay, so I can slide that off. And what's inside here? Oh, let's see. I'll look inside in a second. A Viewmaster slide of Hollywood. Fun. Well, this looks like it's all some packaging, actually. Because it's got this, like, flip. It's got both of these flips here. Yeah, it's slick, like some packaging. That's neat. This said, Did I Tell You by Elizabeth Knapp. Oh, it's a cute, like, illustrated thing with, look at these illustrations of, like, flowers and, oh, and they've got them labeled, like, this is, wait, wood sorrel. Joy. Violet humility. Oh, it's got like maybe the meanings of it. Let's see. This says honeysuckle rustic beauty. Willow humanity. That's really sweet. Alright, we've got some altered papers here. This is like almost, I think that's jelly paper. Jelly paper. Like maybe a jelly print or a stencil on some, I'm not sure what kind of paper that is. It's super slick. Oh, the cuckoo. The panther. The canary. The shrew. Those are neat. Oh, what is this? It's a playing card box. Or part, oh, wow, look at that. Oh, that is sweet. A little sheet of, oh, I like that even better almost. Double-sided scrapbook paper. My words, y'all. Some punched paper. Oh, this is neat with that image and then the wash of stuff on it. Really pretty. I think that may be everything. I'm going to double check this envelope. Yeah, I think that is everything. But y'all, this really does have such a neat feeling to it. It's like super thick and like, I don't know, sturdy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Terry, thank you so much. I am so, I didn't know what to expect. You just said there was a package coming, and I was like, okay. And I seriously thought it was gonna be like an envelope of a couple things, maybe. I didn't even ponder what it might be. I was just like, yeah, I need a surprise. Thank you. I cannot, you know what? The allergies are killing me from the pollen in the air right now. It is the pollening going on springtime. At least that's what we call it here in the South, where everything is coated in the yellow of pine tree pollen. So some of that tea is going to be really nice. And I can't wait to play with all these things. So thanks again, Terry, and I appreciate it. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this. If you did, thumbs up. Subscribe, and let me know what would you do with some of these things Terry sent me, like those huge crystals, or some of these really luscious papers. I do apologize for the noise in the background. I don't know what my neighbors are doing. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye.